write out this number using words. We have 82,621. So keep in mind, I'm a math teacher. Spelling isn't important, but I will try my best to make sure I spell everything correctly. First thing we have is we have numbers in the 10,000s and thousands place values. I'm going to write that out first. So I have 82,000. And I'll put a comma after that. Then the next number is 621. So 621 is going to be written as 621. So 82,621 is how we write that guy out in words.